Zscaler Cellular is a holistic approach to delivering connectivity and protection from any IoT device anywhere in the world on any mobile network. Bidirectional access, traffic going out, remote access coming in for a lot of devices. But the goal I want you to think about more than anything else is the kind of areas you're looking for. So when you're talking with customers and you're discussing this, don't go and talk about users, don't talk about workloads. Try and identify things that are IoT based. Think about things that are non-human. So ask about anything they might have that is cellular connected. Obviously that's obvious in terms of Zscaler Cellular, but think about also asking about devices that are outside the world they control. So your IT organizations are managing end users, workloads, data centers, cloud environments, but think about the things that are outside. Now, you'd be surprised what is outside. And it could be things as simple as a vending machine, a forklift. It could even be a truck, a car, a track and trace. But you'd be surprised what companies have by asking them, what do you have outside of your core ecosystem that you don't have visibility of and you control of? This is a great opportunity to discuss. Also try and investigate about things that are non-core IT business. So not IT. You'd be surprised, again, what the business is looking for. It could be things like a business who delivers packages. They may have an IT team that tracks the information, but the team who delivers the connectivity is a completely different organization. Same goes for pharmaceutical. Pharmaceutical companies manufacture the vaccines and other things that the world needs, but the track and tracing, the distribution is a different organization with a different set of rules and regulations. Look for non-IT businesses that'll help you figure this out. Focus on the business users. They will be the ones who'll help you find out what's outside, what may be cellular, and what might be IoT based. But even then, think about things like things that are distributed. And that could be users, could be workloads, could be people traveling, could be executives on a plane going to another country who need protection, could be devices that are outside, again, the world that was in the main environment. This will give you, these 5 points give you a fantastic beginning to start figuring out where to ask your customers, where they're using IoT, where they're using cellular, where they're using the devices that we can go and open up the opportunity with Zscaler Cellular to more and more revenue. So what I've shown you here is the Zscaler Cellular service, and I've erased and just kind of built it from the cellular service up. And what's missing from this diagram is the carriers. Now, the reason why I've done this, I want to explain that there are two variants of this cellular service. Well, two ways we can connect the cellular service into your ecosystems. I'm going to do this by drawing a couple of different SIMs under different colors in different ecosystems. So we're going to have SIM number one, and I'm going to just put SIM number one here as a reason. And I'll come back to that in a second, and I'll do another one over here, which is SIM2. Now I need to draw the SIM as well. Now, with those SIMs, let's talk about them being different. This one's going to be one provided by Zscaler. So Zscaler is going to provide this. We have the ability to give you a SIM to work anywhere in the world. But you may not want that. Maybe you already have a SIM provider. Maybe you have a telco partner that you'd like to consider and keep using. And this would be your partner, your MNO, your mobile network operator that you have today. So your mobile network operator now has your existing SIMs. And like the earlier diagram where they connect via private APN, now we have to get these to the Zscaler Cellular service. Now with Zscaler ourselves, we've built this by default. So we have, I mentioned before, the ability to go through any mobile network anywhere in the world and connect directly into the Zscaler service. Pretty easy. But we can also work with our partners. And this is a really powerful piece for those of you who need and want to work with your partners, and for the partners we're working with who want to deliver this service. It's quite easy. All we need to do is leverage your mobile network, again, with the SIMs already connected. In this case, now what we'll do is take that existing structure you had before, that private APN, and rather than putting it to a backhaul into a data center or to a cloud, we just connect it directly into Zscaler. This place becomes the entire path in and out. So now all the SIMs from this customer are going through a zero trust policy. Maybe the customer wants to have both zero trust SIMs from Zscaler as well as from the partner. Well, we can use the same set of services globally to deliver uniformity for the customer anywhere in the world. This allows you to keep your services without having to change anything and bring on new greenfield ecosystems in a way that allows you to be more dynamic. We want to work with our partners to deliver this service for you, our customers. This gives you that ability of operating anywhere with your partner and with us at the same time.